Hey guys, it's Alicia Soikawa with Alicia & Company at Long & Foster. Thanks for joining me today, and today I'm excited to present 10710 Kriserin Circle here in Chester, Virginia. Come take a look. This gorgeous three-sided brick home in the Wellington Farms community is over 3,100 square feet. As you walk in the front door, you're greeted with a formal foyer, and to the right, you have a gorgeous living room with bay window that leads into the dining room. This is a custom-built home by original owners, and it is meticulously maintained with newer roof and systems. And as you walk through, you can feel like you're in brand new construction. From the dining room, you have access to the kitchen, which is a gorgeous space. It has granite countertops and tile backsplash. There's an island and plenty of space for food prep and storage. It opens up into an eat-in kitchen and a beautiful family room with vaulted ceilings, perfect for entertaining. As you go up the staircase, you are welcomed with 4 bedrooms and 2.5 baths. There are 3 other additional rooms that are nicely sized, and the current sellers use 2 of them as offices. This home also offers upstairs laundry, so it makes it very convenient. The master suite is quite grand and has a beautiful space for a sitting area if needed and walk-in closet. There's also an extra large master suite bath that has just been renovated. One of the best things about this home is the beautiful exterior space. There is a screened-in porch that's actually a sleeping porch, and a beautiful large Trex deck with vinyl railing. It also includes a hot tub that has just been recently maintained with new motors. The home actually backs up to a pond with stocked fish, so you have a perfect outdoor oasis to get away from it all, to entertain friends, and just to be at home. Thanks so much for taking a look today at 10710 Kriserin Circle here in Chester. It's in a wonderful location in Wellington Farms, just off 288 and 95. Great access to everywhere in the Chesterfield area. Take a look today, schedule your private showing. I'm sure it'll be gone soon. Thank you.